Standing in front of a mirror and watching your hairline slowly retreat feels like a losing battle against time itself. We look for any lifeline we can find to stop the thinning and bring back what used to be there. That brings us to a specific player in the crowded hair care market called Peptonix. This serum makes some massive promises. It claims it can wake up sleeping follicles and basically turn back the clock on your scalp. When you look at the back of the bottle, the ingredients look impressive on paper. You have copper peptides. These are often praised for skin repair and general scalp health. Then there is Panax ginseng and licorice root. Even niacinamide makes an appearance in the mix. These are all solid components for general scalp wellness. They might help with blood circulation. They might soothe irritation or provide a better environment for hair to grow. However, a healthy scalp is not the same thing as a full head of brand new hair. Hair loss is a giant, complicated puzzle. It involves your genes. It involves your hormones and your daily stress levels. It involves your age and your overall medical history. Once a hair follicle has been dormant for a very long time, a simple liquid probably won't bring it back to life. That is the hard truth many people realize too late. The marketing for these products often leans on dramatic transformations. They show you photos that look like absolute miracles. But when you dig into actual customer feedback, the story changes completely. Many users report zero change even after months of daily application. They spent the money. They did the work. They saw no results. Beyond the product itself, there are some messy business practices to watch out for. Several customers have flagged issues with the checkout process online. Some found themselves stuck in recurring subscriptions they did not intentionally sign up for. Others struggled to get a refund when the serum failed to deliver on its claims. The company does try to respond to these complaints. They claim to resolve many of these issues. Still, the friction is a major red flag for any consumer. It is a classic case of needing to manage your own expectations. You cannot treat a topical serum like a total cure-all. If your hair loss is driven by deep genetics, a bit of ginseng and licorice root won't rewrite your biology. It might make your scalp feel better. It might even slightly improve the texture of the hair you already have. But expecting a full restoration is a massive gamble. Before you hit that buy button, look for reviews that aren't paid for by the brand. See what people are saying on independent forums. This entire market is built on the foundation of hope. Companies know how much we value our hair. They use that vulnerability to sell the idea of a quick fix. Real hair regrowth usually requires a much more comprehensive approach. It often involves medical intervention or significant lifestyle changes. A single bottle of serum is rarely the whole answer. Be careful with those glossy ads. They want you to believe in a magic potion. Your wallet and your scalp deserve more honesty than a marketing campaign. Think about the complexity of your human biology. Think about how many internal factors go into every single strand on your head. One product simply can't fix every underlying cause of thinning. Stay skeptical and do your homework before you commit.